Hello students, I welcome all of you online classes with AK. In this lesson, I will teach you the 5 rules that you need to know for using articles in English correctly. The articles are a and the articles are really the demonstrative adjectives because they are used before a noun to point the person or things, but usually they are put under the category of articles. Remember, articles are always used before a noun. If you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it soon. Like and share and press the bell icon so you will get latest notification. These articles are divided into two categories. First, indefinite article. Second, definite article. A or N comes in definite articles and the comes in definite articles. Before I told you that in this video we will discuss about 5 rules. So first rules in front of you, use a before consonant sound, and rule second, use an before vowel sound. And here is a few example in front of you. See the first one, a farmer, a bird, a cow, a boy, a girl, a house, a tree, and here an apple, an umbrella, an ice cream, an old man, an engineer. These are the example of indefinite article. Here is a few example of articles. You have to complete these examples. If you want to pause the video, then you can. Your time start now. I hope all of you got the answer. So here the first one will come, an elephant. Then second, a car, a student, a teacher, an onion, an interesting tale, a university, a European, an hour, 10th and the last one, an MA in Hindi. Now I am going to explain these examples. Now we will see the rule third. A is used before the words beginning with vowels but giving consonant sound. A university, sound come like U. And the second example, a European, so here that sound come U. A one-way road, so here the sound come wa. A 1 rupee note, here also sound come wa. It means when we read university, it means sound come U, university. Then here second, when we read European, the sound come U, European. Then here third, when we read one, the sound come wa, one. When we read one, here also sound come wa. Now we will see the rule 4. But an is also used for the words beginning with silent H and giving vowel sound. Look at the first example, an hour. Second, an honest. And here you can notice that the words beginning with silent H and giving vowel sound. And here is a quiz for you. You will get a few seconds to complete this quiz. If you want to pause the video, then you can pause. Your time start now. I hope all of you got the answer of this quiz. So our first will come a hotel, second a happy man, third a healthy baby, four an whore, fifth a house, sixth a Hindu, seventh an honest boy, eighth a heavy burden, nine a horse, 10th and the last one an honor. You must keep in mind in words hotel, happy, healthy, house, Hindu, heavy, horse, article an is not acceptable because the H in these words is pronounced. While reading these words, the sound come ha. Ha hotel, ha house, ha Hindu, ha horse. So all it's give the consonant sound. With these words we will use article A. And the remaining words our, honest, honor, we will use article N because the words beginning with silent H and giving vowel sound. I hope you understood the words beginning with H, which article you will use. Now we will discuss Rule 5. Many abbreviations begin with consonant but they give vowel sound when they are spoken. Use N for each abbreviation. If they give consonant sound, use A before them. If we will read MA, it give vowel sound, so N MA will come. MP, it's also give the vowel sound, so N MB will come. LLB, it also give the vowel sound, so N LLB will come. IAS, it give the vowel sound, so N IAS will come. When we will read VA or PSD, DM, PCS, all these words give consonant sound, so A will come. In this video you have studied about indefinite article. For the definite article, see my next video. Soon it will come part 2. And here is some work for you. Rewrite the following sentences after putting A or N wherever it is required. If there is any problem while doing, please comment. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel so you will get latest notification. Okay, bye. Then see you in the next video.